Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please join me, and in this video tutorial you will see how to crochet my unique stitch pattern that consists of double crochet stitches and chains. This is my own pattern that I created recently for you. My pattern consists of 4 stitches and has 2 rows. So first row is single crochet stitches and the second row is my unique stitches. So in this video you will see how to crochet this pattern step by step. Let's look at this example. So you can crochet the pattern as many rows as you need and then add some rows of single crochet stitches, double crochet stitches, and then repeat my unique stitches just once. For work I will use a ball of yarn, crochet hook. As usually I'm using 1.4 millimeters crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters in 50 grams. Please don't be afraid to experiment, use your imagination to create your unique and unusual project. Let's look from this side. It is very stretchy and beautiful at the same time. For this pattern I will use one color of yarn. You can choose variegated yarn or one color of yarn as well. This pattern could be perfect to create bags, clothes, or accessories for home or kitchen, such as doily, tablecloths, coaster. As I told you before, for work I will use one color, a ball of yarn, and 1.4 millimeters crochet hook. You can choose any color of yarn and any kind. I remind you this pattern consists of 2 rows. Let's crochet the pattern. So I will repeat pattern 4 times. For this I need 16 stitches plus 2 stitches for more beautiful look. Let's crochet the foundation chain. Make a chain of 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. My foundation chain is ready. Let's crochet the first row. It is going to be a row of single crochet. For this, make a chain. This is the chain to bring up the yarn. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch away from the hook. Make single crochet. Then single crochet into each stitch of the previous row. So keep working this way till the end of this row. And so on. I am done a row of single crochet stitches. And now I show you how to crochet my unique stitches. It is going to be a row of my unique stitches. For this, chain 3 to bring up the yarn, turn the work, yarn over the hook. This is my stitch that came out of chains to bring up the yarn. I skip this one. I will work with this stitch later. I will do my trims. Make double crochet. Make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Once I have done 3 double crochet, then chain of 4 for the chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I will work with stitch that I skipped before. I insert the hook into this stitch. Once I have done my chain space, turn the work, insert the hook into the stitch, make single crochet. My chain space is joined. Turn the work. This is the front side of the work. Work into the chain space. Make single crochet. Make 5 single crochet. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Yarn over the hook and work with the next piece of pattern. I skip next stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Well done. Let's stop and look what I have done. I started the second one. I just need to do the chain space and join it. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Turn the work, insert the hook into the stitch that I skipped before. Insert the hook from the back side. Make single crochet. Turn the work. Make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over the hook. I skip the stitch, insert the hook from the second stitch, make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Let's stop and look. It is very beautiful and simple at the same time. So for such kind of pattern you just need to know how to crochet simple stitches and chains. You can use such kind of pattern anywhere. Next time I will show you how to crochet the next stitch and the next row. Keep working in this way till the end of this row, then I will show you how to complete this row with me. I'm about to complete this row. Once I have done all my stitches in the row, to complete this round, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the chain stitch, make double crochet. Well done. My first row is ready. So my pattern consists of only 2 rows. Let's crochet the next row. It is going to be a row of single crochet stitches. Let's crochet the next row. It is going to be a row of single crochet stitches. Make a chain to bring up the yarn, turn the work. Make first single crochet into the first stitch of my unique stitches. Make single crochet 1, then make single crochet into each stitch of the previous row. Pattern consists of 4 stitches and has 2 rows. So in total it should be 4 of them. First one is ready. Let's crochet 3 more. 2, 3 and 4. Well done. Continue. Insert the hook into the first single crochet. Make single crochet. Then work with next 3 stitches. 2, 3 and 4. Work into the stitch, make single crochet 1, 2, 3 and 4. Well done. Insert the hook into the stitch, make single crochet 1, 2, 3 and 4. Well done. Insert the hook into the chain stitch on the beginning of the previous row. This is the third one. Make single crochet. My row is ready. This is the back side of the pattern. Turn the work. Let's crochet the next row. It is going to be the next piece of pattern. Then you should continue working as many rows as you need for your project. Chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook. I skip 1. I skip the stitch that I did in the second row. I started a row of unique stitches. Then skip the next one, insert the hook into the third stitch, make 3 double crochet in a row. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Turn the work. Insert the hook into the stitch that I skipped before. Make single crochet. Turn the work, make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Yarn over the hook. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch. Make double crochet 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. Then chain of 4 and so on. Let's stop and look what I have done. So keep working in this way as many rows as you need for your project. Next time I will show you what I'm done. So that's it, my project is ready. Here how it looks when I am done. This is very simple pattern I created recently for you. This is the pattern in 3D crochet. For this pattern you just need to know how to work with double crochet stitches, single crochet and chains. You can use it to create huge projects such as scarf or blouse, cardigan or another kind of clothes. Also, it could be perfect to create a decoration for home such as coaster, blanket or tablecloths or doily. Also, you can combine 2 kinds of pattern and to join them together to create a large piece of work. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my pattern. All additional information about the tools, kind of tools and useful links could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!